Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting a parent involved. You cannot bypass that. Ask them to create or supervise your Google account with Family Link, then install Google Pay on your device. Make sure the phone supports NFC and has a secure screen lock. Next, have the parent add a payment method, either their card or a prepaid gift card, under their account. Once they've added it, sign into Google Pay on your device so you're ready for the next steps. Once the parent has added a payment method, you add that same card to Google Pay on your phone, but only with their consent. During addition, follow the on-screen verification. The bank or Google may send a code to the parent's device or email. Make sure NFC is enabled and your screen lock is active. Those are required for Tap to Pay. After verification, do a small, supervised purchase so you confirm the card works and you understand the checkout flow. To complete a payment, wake the phone, unlock it, and tap to pay or select Google Pay for online checkout with your parent present. Make sure they approve any purchase. Afterwards, review receipts in the app and manage payment methods through Family Link settings so spending stays supervised. If a payment fails, first confirm Family Link permissions and that the card is verified, then check NFC and app updates. If issues persist, contact the card issuer. Most problems are verification or bank holds, not the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.